Next dance we're going to talk about, the name is Wasted Time. It's a 32 counts, 4-wall line dance. Choreographed by Maud Knabe. Music by Keith Urban, the song calls as well Wasted Time. No restart, no tags. Let's do a demo first.
That song and I'm flying around back to when we had it made. Every Friday night when the sun went down, we'd be running them streets like we owned the town.
And at the end of the dance, let's talk about the steps. Okay. So, main of the steps is kind of a mambo step. Here in Wasted Time, we're going to start with our left. We're going to do a front mambo with the left. So we're going to do 1 and 2, and then a right back mambo, 3 and 4. So we do the same to the side, left and back, and right and back. Then we do crossovers. The first is always the left, so it's left and back, and right and back. Here we're going to do a double weave. This is kind of a faster speed. So we're going to do front, side, behind, side, front, side, side. From here, we're going to do a left rock recover, and coaster step. Now we step right forward, make a quarter turn. Step right forward and make a quarter turn. Now we do the same thing like we did there. Here is the right. Rock, recover, and coaster step. Now, we don't do a quarter, we do an 8 and an 8, so we're facing this wall. Step, an 8, step, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. Thank you, and have fun.